He's telling that now from the past, from the beginning, Rinpoche was here. He was student of Song Rinpoche, and there are lots more high lamas like Khyentse Lati Rinpoche, Khyentse Champa Yeshe Rinpoche. So Tsem Rinpoche has learned a lot from them. So he's thinking that Rinpoche will continually, that what he have gained from them will continually be served to all the sentient beings all over, like till now in Malaysia. So in the ahead also, they're all over the world. So he pray a lot of success to Rinpoche.
Okay. Any personal message you would like to send to Rinpoche?
Rinpoche la gear gila, then touch the radio that in the country needs to do Kalaya.
Tangi Polia to Manjan Jirumbo, some Arang to Gate for the Rinpoche, Kadachim, but to Maria, doing attending humans.
His from personal message that he said Rinpoche is very kind for him, and he never forget what kindness he has done to him. So he will always remember Rinpoche.
Would Genyim...
He's telling that from the starting he have a remembrance of all these things in his mind, so he will never forget that. So he's telling that in the future he will contact through email, and will, if there is anything left, they will let know through email.
Thank you. Would Genyima like to say anything to Rinpoche?
And again, here, my few cups of the and dying out of a good mess. But I had today is, and as a thought that I could have a potato cheese, Malam Tara and Jagu years, say you that I could have a potato cheese. Then Timothy, I can do.
Okay, so Genyima is telling that Tsem Rinpoche is his guru, Tsem Rinpoche is his teacher, Tsem Rinpoche is his sponsor, everything is Tsem Rinpoche. So till right now that Khyentse Rinpoche alive, he will serve as best as he can, as before he has concerned that Rinpoche asked him to do. If this Khyentse Rinpoche will not be if anything happen, then he have no option. Either Rinpoche is there. So he have no hope other than Rinpoche, Tsem Rinpoche. If anything happened to Khyentse Rinpoche Champa Yeshe, so he said he have only hope is Tsem Rinpoche. And he said that please live Tsem Rinpoche as long as can, and he would pray always for Tsem Rinpoche. So Chönse Lobsang Thargi is telling that Tsem Rinpoche's student and Tsem Rinpoche, all the student, he has a lot of tashi dele and good luck to all the centered people. Okay.
Just one few last questions.
Here's this incense. Very go mara chung sus na ke lawa chung zarwa pan ge zarwa
Samana dam kara te jan le ro di
di gen kera shida
no
chambola san na mara chambola san che that one no we take together they keep the library together, so then onwards you will go.
Okay, so we go now.
Yeah,
okay,
Together with
go
this.
to
All of us?
Together with this.
all of us cannot You can go on walking.
Maybe you take him in your car, Rinpoche.
Which one?
Take,
Yes.